Hi kids, welcome back. Colors. Let's learn colors name. Orange color, light green color, sky blue color, purple color, yellow color, black color, pink color, violet color, brown color, blue color, green color, and red color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letters A, B, C, letter A to O. Let's trace A. A for apple, red color. B. B for ball, yellow color. C. C for cat, black color. D. D for dog, violet color. E. E for eagle, brown color. F. F for fish, blue color. G. G for goat, pink color. H. H for horse, orange color. I. I for ice cream, light green color. J. J for jeep, sky blue color. K. K for K. K for kangaroo, purple color. L. L for lion, red color. M. M for monkey, orange color. N. N for nest, green color. O. O for orange. Kids, read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.